Are you ready to learn what a top load bobbin is and how to use it? Hi, my name's Abby here at DIY Fashion Rebel, and I'm putting together resources to help make your sewing journey easier. Now, in this video, we're talking about a top load bobbin. But if you are new to sewing, looking to buy a new sewing machine, or upgrading from the machine you currently have, then I have a cool resource for you, okay? Down below in the description, I've put together a sewing machine buyer's guide. And in that guide, I tell you these 6 features that really make sewing more fun and easier for you. And yes, the top load bobbin is one of them. So if you would like access to my buyer's guide, just head to the link in the description. It's totally free. I just want to make this process as easy as possible because I know when you start Googling which sewing machine to buy and which features, it can be so overwhelming. So grab that guide. It will make your life much easier, okay? Now on to the top load bobbin. Now, when you buy a sewing machine, you have 2 options for the bobbin. It can either be a front load bobbin, which looks like this, or it can be a top load bobbin, which looks like this. Now, if you have a front load bobbin, I have a link in the description to how to load that one. But the reason that the top load bobbin is easier and why I recommend it is because it's one, much easier. You can watch the rest of this video and then go and compare it to the front load if you want, but trust me, it's easier. And what's really nifty is you can see in this picture, you can actually see the bobbin right now in this picture, right? It's that little white round spool of thread down there. Now, this is really nice because while you're sewing, you can see exactly how much thread is still on the bobbin. When it starts getting low or there's not much thread there, you can take it out and rewind the bobbin so that way you don't run out of thread in the middle of sewing. Oh, it's so annoying. So that makes this really nice. You can see the bobbin, and again, it's much easier to thread. So let me show you how to thread this. Okay. So to take out a top load bobbin like this one, the first thing you're going to do is see this little button here and the arrow. You're just going to take this and press it that direction. So like that. And that releases this plastic cover. It kind of pops up. You're just going to take it out of your way and then remove the bobbin. Okay, it's that easy. Cool? Now, I'm going to show you how to thread my machine. The most important thing for this is to check what your machine says in your user manual, or if there happens to be a sticker on the machine itself. My machine has one, it looks like this. And follow those directions, okay? They should be very similar to mine, but if yours are slightly different, follow the directions for your machine. Those directions were written specifically for your machine, so they're going to work the best and give you the best results, okay? But they should look really similar to mine, which is why I still think this video will be helpful. So, to load the bobbin, it looks like this. Okay, so if we're going to put the bobbin back in, what we want to do is check that the thread is going this direction before we insert it, okay? If we go this direction, that's wrong and it can cause tension problems. So check your bobbin, make sure the thread is going this direction. Then you're going to drop it in, okay? Then you're going to pull your thread right around this little plastic flap and go under it like this, okay? Now you're just going to follow these arrows. So you're going to go up and around here. And when we get all the way around, there's actually a built-in cutter right here. So if I pull my thread this direction, it will just cut it for me. And now that that's done, I'm just going to grab this cover again You see this little flap here? It's gonna go right in this spot. And once I get that in, I'm just gonna press down. You'll hear it click, and now everything's ready to go. How easy, right? Guys, this is seriously such an easy feature to use, and I hope that it makes your sewing journey so much more fun. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you would like to be the first one to know when I upload other helpful videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button below, okay? And if you want to learn even more about the features on your sewing machine, check out my sewing machine features playlist. I go through a lot of different features on sewing machines and explain what they are and how to use them, just like in this video. So be sure to check that out, and happy sewing!